Good morning, children. We'll continue with the lesson now. You have learned how this artist was making face drawings, isn't it? And Sally, that little girl, wanted to make her grandmother's face and even the mother's face, her mother's face also. And the artist has drawn, and she went on questioning to the artist why those lines are drawn on the faces. And first, when Granny's face was drawn, he has drawn a very young face. Then Sally did not accept it. She said, "My grandmother is a little more older." So then he started drawing some lines, isn't it? And he went on explaining every line. What does it mean? Isn't it? And now that Sally understood how these artists are making the faces and how this age difference also they make even in their drawings. So later on she is telling him to draw her mother's face, and the artist is drawing her mother's face also. And first it was very young face, but later on one or two lines is drawing on the face and explaining about how that lines have come. Isn't it? So now she is accepting that it is her mother's face. So we'll continue with that now. Yes, but dad is working again now. So he has shown one line wherein her father, that is Sally's father, had lost a job, and that time mother had some more worries, and there was line, isn't it? So he explained about it. Now she is accepting it. She is saying that yes, but dad is working again now, so perhaps that will go, said Sally. I don't like it. It makes mummy's face look old. What are those little lines round her eyes? Oh, they are laugh lines, said the artist. Your mother is fond of jokes, isn't she? And she is gay and bright. She put those merry little lines there herself. But here's a bad line. Look, now what was that? Yes, it was when your big sister wouldn't work at school and almost got expelled for her naughtiness. Yes, I remember that. Though I was very small then, said Sally. But Jan is better now. She is just won a scholarship. That line should not be there anymore. Janny put it there, and there it will stay, said the artist. It's a good thing Janny doesn't know it. It would make her sad. Sally looked earnestly at the picture. Yes, it was her mother's face. There was no doubt about it. She looked at a dear little curly line by the mouth. What's that? She said. I like that. What put that nice little smiley line there? You did, Sally, said the artist, and his eyes looked very gentle. You are a nice little girl, you know, and I have heard you are sweet-tempered and kind. The only line in your mother's face that you have put there is that little curly one you like, and see, I will make it a little bigger, and now your mother's face is even sweeter. So what happened? When her mother's face is drawn, and then he has drawn some lines on mother's face also, she went on questioning, and he went on explaining about every line, how that line has come to her mother's face. And one line he showed that it was worried line, wherein Sally's father had lost the job, and then mother was feeling very bad of it. So that sadness was shown in that particular line. Then she is saying, yes, but dad is working again now, so perhaps that will go, said Sally. I don't like it. It makes mummy's face look old. What are those little lines round her eyes? So what happened? She said, okay, now that was okay, because when father had lost the job, she was in worry and that worry line was there on her face, okay, but now my father is working, he has got already a job. So now we have to remove that line. No more that line should be there, because with that lines what is happening? My mother is looking older. Okay, when you draw those lines, my mother is looking older, but my mother is not that old, and she is happy also now. That's what she is explaining, so to take out the line. What are those little lines? After all that, she is saying, around the eyes there are some more lines. What is this? Around her eyes. You have drawn lines even around her eyes. Why? Then what is the artist saying? Oh, they are laugh lines, said the artist. So that lines are laugh lines, not the worry lines, it is laugh lines. How that laugh line has come? Your mother is fond of jokes, isn't she? And she is gay and bright. How that laugh line has come? Because your mother always likes jokes. And whenever you listen to jokes, what do you do? What do you do? Do you cry or laugh? You laugh, isn't it? So here, Sally's mother was also laughing, listening to the joke. She was very much interested in jokes and she was laughing and she was always keeping herself bright and she was helping others, no? So that brightness was also there in that line, in that particular line, laugh line. So now Sally was very happy. Okay, my mother has got some laugh lines also on her face and on around her eyes. Then she put those merry little lines there herself. So artist is saying that lines my mother has got because of her mother's character only. Because she was laughing and she was enjoying the jokes and all that. So it is put by herself. It is not put by anybody. It is put by herself. But here is a bad line. Look now. What was that? Immediately again she saw one more line and that was looking bad. It was not looking good. It was looking bad. So immediately she questioned, what is this bad line here? Yes, it was when your big sister wouldn't work at school and almost got expelled from her naughtiness. So then he said, yeah, that line is bad line because your sister was there in the school, Jani, her name is Jani. What was she? She was not listening to the lesson. She was not good at learning also. And moreover, what happened? She used to be very naughty. And because of her naughtiness, always she was put out. So expelled out means she was put out. So that was worrying your mother. And that is the line which is looking bad line on her face. He explained that. Yes, I remember that. Though I was very small then, said Sally. But Jan is better now. She has just won a scholarship. That line should not be there anymore. So she said, yes, when I was small, I have heard that she was very naughty and all those things. But now she's not like that. She's become very good. Her name is Jani. She's very good now and she's getting scholarship also. So that means when she's good only she's getting scholarship. No, then why that line has to be there? Remove that line. So Sally is saying remove that line. Because my sister is very good now. Jani put it there and there it will stay. He said, okay, now I cannot remove because already that has happened. Jani was not good and when she was small, that line has already come, so I cannot remove it now. So Jani put it there and there it will stay, said the artist. It's a good thing. Jani doesn't know it, so he is saying now it's better. Now Jani should not know about that line. Why? Because she has already changed now from naughtiness, she has become a good girl. So let her not know about that line. If she knows about the line, now she will feel bad. Because whatever the mistake she has done long back, she may feel bad for it. So it would make her sad. It would make her sad. Sally looked earnestly at the picture. Yes, it was her mother's face. There was no doubt about it. So Sally is looking at that and so what happened? Sally, she said about her sister and that line has to be removed now. Then afterwards, Sally looked earnestly at the picture. Yes, it was her mother's face. There was no doubt about it. She looked at a dear little curly line by the mouth. So what happened after that sister's all that work, she started looking at the picture. Very closely she started looking at the picture. Again what happened? She saw one more line. And she understood it is her mother's face only. When she was looking very carefully, she saw one more line, a curly line by the mouth. Then she asked, what is this? Again why that one more line near the mouth? She said, I like that. She liked that. Actually that line which was a curly line near the mouth, she liked it very much. So she said, I like that. She told to the artist. What put that nice little smiley line there? So it was like a smiley line. Smiley line is a very small, laughing way, isn't it? Enjoying way. So she liked that. So she said, why this smiley line is put near the mouth? You did, Sally. Now the artist is saying it is because of you. The smiley line has come on your mother's face, said the artist, and his eyes looked very gentle. Now he just very gently he started looking at the little girl, and I have heard you are sweet tempered and kind. And I have heard about you that you are very good and very kind, and where you don't lose temper. That means you will not be angry at all. You are very kind to everybody. So you are very nice girl. He started appreciating her. The only line in your mother's face that you have put there is that little curly one you like and see. So it is because of you that curly line has come on your mother's face near her mouth. And see, I will make it a little bigger, and now your mother's face is even sweeter. So your mother is loving you so much because you are also very good, isn't it? And because of that, that line has come near her mouth, and then I'll make it a little more bigger. That smiley face I'll make a little more bigger, so that what happens? Your mother will look still good and very sweet, very beautiful. So he said that. Okay, next we will see. Yes, it is, said Sally. Now Sally was very happy. Oh, because of me at least my mother is getting a very nice line on her face. So she was very happy. I will make it bigger on mommy's real face. So he said, now you are doing it on the picture, isn't it? And you are going to make it a little more big on the picture, on the photo what you have drawn. But really I am going to make it a big line in my mother's real face. Sally said. Sally was also happy about it. You see, if I don't, I would like to give mommy a nice smiley line like that. So he said, so Sally said to the artist, yes, on a real face I'll make a really big smiley line, and I want her to be always happy. So she's making me happy, let me make my mother also to be happy. I would really love to put that into mommy's face. So I really like to put that smiley line on my mother's face. Do you think people know how faces are made? Do you think? So now she started asking this artist, do you think how these faces are made? So she is asking everyone now, do you know how these faces are made? You can see in the portraits of so many people, how is it made? Now she is putting a question. Oh, I can't answer so many questions. Now, said the artist. She went on asking to the artist, now how are all these things made? So many questions started asking. Now artist is saying, I cannot answer all the questions whatever you ask because my time is getting wasted. So I have got so many other work, I have to do that work. That is what he expressed. And got down from this time. And what happened? Saying all that, I don't have time, I cannot answer to all the questions. Saying that, what happened? This artist just got down from the steps. Style means steps. You want to know too much. I have given away a lot of secrets today. You have to know so much. You are not stopping your questions at all. You are going on asking and asking and asking questions. But I don't have time for so much. But still I have given you so many secrets. Whenever you went on asking about each and every line on the faces, I have just went on explaining to you. Further I can't because I got my own work. Saying that he just got down and goodbye Sally. So he said, okay, bye. I am leaving from this house, from this place. So goodbye Sally. Use my secrets well. So he said, okay, bye Sally. I am going to go to a different place. So he said, whatever I have told you about these lines now, the secrets of lines, you just remember all those things. And based on that, you have to act. I would like to meet that man, wouldn't you? And see him draw some faces. Now she is saying, again and again I want to see that man. Man means here the artist. And I am so much interested. Are you not interested to see him? She is asking. I wonder what lines you have put into your own mother's face. Some very nice ones, I hope. So she is telling to everybody. In general she is saying, so I feel that you also would have been, you would have made your mother happy. So your mother also would have got so many good lines on her faces. So she is saying that lines you have put into your mother's face. So what are the different types of lines you have put into your mother's face? You just put happy lines, not worry lines. Put happy lines on your mother's face. Means how? If you do good work, good action, good work, good deed, what will happen? Automatically your parents will be happy, isn't it? That is what this child is saying now. So you do something good, definitely your parents also will be happy. So they will have a very good face. You know now happy face and the sad face, you can easily make out whoever it is. So you make the, if you do something good, your parents also will be happy and they will have that happy line on their faces. Some very nice ones, I hope. So she is saying, all of you do something good. Then everybody will be happy. Understood? That's what she is saying. See, I'll just read this paragraph here. Yes, it is, said Sally. I will make it bigger on Mummy's real face. You see, if I don't, I would like to give Mummy a nice smiley line like that. I would really love to put that into Mummy's face. Do you think people know how faces are made? Do you think? Oh, I can't answer so many questions, said the artist, and he got them from the style. You want to know too much? I have given away a lot of secrets today. Goodbye, Sally. Use my secrets well. I would like to meet that man, wouldn't you? And see him draw some faces. I wonder what lines you have put into your own mother's face. Some very nice ones, I hope. So that's the end of the lesson. It was written by Madam Enid Blyton. Okay, she is the author of this lesson. So let me stop it here. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.